What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to do just a little project. So I'm going to actually remove the valence on the bottom of my bumper there. So I'm going to show you the reasons why I want to get rid of it, and then do a little before and after photos of the differences, if I think it looks better, if I think I need to put it back on. And it'll give you guys an idea of what it'll look like if you guys ever want to take that thing off of your truck. So with that, I'm going to get started with it. So you can see on the bottom of my valence, right in that corner, where I had to trim it a whole bunch to get those massive 38 1550s to fit. It's now hanging down a little bit, and that kind of looks tacky. So I was looking behind here. There used to be a bolt right here that actually mounted this piece and held it up, but then there's another one right back there, but it's actually rusted, so it's not holding anything up. And that is the reason I really want to remove it, is just so I don't have that little gap and it's not flapping in the wind while I'm driving. But I think it'll clean up the hole underneath the front end of the bumper anyway. This piece is also rusted and broke off. And then there's bolts all along the center of it that I don't think you can see, but you can reach them right back here. You can feel them with your hand. You got to take those off and the valence should drop down. So the only tool I've got for the job is this 8mm ratchet wrench. I'm hoping that's all I need to get down in behind the bumper to get it pulled off. But you can see there's little clips right beside your fog light there, and you can see the bolt. You can get in there and get the bolts loosened up on it. I'm going to try out this long handle ratchet here. These ones close to the tow hooks are pretty tough to get to, and you've got your transmission cooler and everything right here that you're getting your hands on. You could pull the bumper all the way off, but I just don't really want to hassle with all that. I've already got it lined up pretty good. So I'm going to try this and see if I can get to it. There it is. We got that valence off. So looks like the only thing you can see is I do have the Fabtech 3.5 inch shackle and hanger drop. So you can see my leaf springs right there. But it really doesn't look that bad. I definitely need to hit it with a coat of paint, make it look a little bit better. But let me know what you guys think about the difference, because I like the look of the bumper without the valence for sure, but I don't know if I'm a fan of that cross member for that hanger kit. So that's one less thing I have to worry about the tires hitting up here for sure. But I think it would definitely look better on like a 2-wheel drive truck, something with the coil springs up front, or maybe if you don't have that drop without that bash bar across the bottom, you wouldn't even be able to see the leaf springs. So I think it would look really clean with that. I'm gonna leave it off mainly because it's already broken and it's been so rusted. I'm gonna have to get a new bumper to do my 05 front end swap anyway. But let me know what you guys think. So it was pretty easy. The hardest part was actually getting to the little screws There's one in the center that I missed, 2 right on the inside of the fog lights, and then 1 more basically right under this tow hook. And then you've got the 2 on the back. So the one that I cut off would be right here, and then 1 right past that mount where that bumper is. So there's 7 little screws in total that you have to take off to get that valance off. But once you get them off, it just pulls right out like you saw. I don't know, I think it looks pretty clean without it. It doesn't look a whole lot different, but it definitely doesn't have that little flappy piece over here, so I like that. But that's it for that video. So it was a pretty simple, easy to do mod for the truck. Like I said, the lowered guys, the 2-wheel drive guys, that would definitely look awesome on your trucks, just because you know for sure you're not gonna have that bash bar or the leaf spring showing. And like I say, I'm gonna get some paint on mine, clean it up a little bit. I think it'll look a lot better. But overall, the bumper looks pretty good. The truck's coming along nicely. Just got a few more things to do, but I'm gonna wait for the weather to warm up, get the paint looking a lot better, get the fender flares put back on it and get it cleaned up. But other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Definitely hit the like button if you liked what you saw, if it helped you out any, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any content that we're going to be putting out with any of the vehicles that we have. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.